Let's take this across to our guest. Joining us is Dr. Kaushal Mishra of the BJP. He's a spokesperson of the party. We have Kailash Adhikari, MD of Governance Now. We have Imran Ahmed Ali, lawyer and political analyst. Vivek Silas is national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Let me come across to you first. Imran Ahmed Ali, the fact is that it's not the only petition saying this, but in past petitions too, similar claims have been made, which is why the BJP is saying that this is some kind of fear-mongering that the Gyan Vapi committee is engaging in. Your response to that?
I absolutely disagree with that. This is not fear-mongering. In fact, this is an intervention application. As a lawyer, I want to explain this to you. This is a vital stakeholder to the dispute at hand who is saying that I'm a vital stakeholder and I wish to intervene and become a part of this legal question of law. So whether this is fear-mongering or not, no. I'm only going to refer to Justice Nariman when he was talking about, he was giving a lecture on the secularism and Constitution of India. The judgment in the Ayodhya dispute speaks about secularism in 5 pages, and this is a judgment by a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court. We need to understand that secularism is a basic structure of our constitution. And when this Places of Worship Act was enacted, it was to avoid situations like Sambhal, to avoid situations like the Gyan Vapi dispute that we are in today. Today, people are losing their lives. You're trying to say that, okay, let's even assume that this is a historical wrong. Does it give the right to anybody to take someone's life? Are we trying to justify the fact that a structure being of religious importance, and when there is a legislative act in existence, that 15th of August 1947 is the freeze date, that law exists, judicial precedent set by the Supreme Court in the...
Let me bring in Kaushal Mishra on that. Kaushal Mishra, there is a legal context to this, and of course there is a Places of Worship Act which in letter and spirit is not being observed, and with these surveys at some level or the other, the fact that there have been deaths, can we ignore all of these facts on ground? It is the concern that is being expressed, it's not fear-mongering. Respond to the statement coming in from Imran Ahmed Ali.
Madhav, your story already told what is written in the petition filed by that particular group, and they are directly threatening the Constitution of India. Now the opposition is not saying that the Constitution is under threat because you see, the judicial review, if he is a lawyer, he will understand the judicial review is a basic feature of our Constitution. Judicial reviews can be exercised by any citizen, and every citizen has a right to go to the Supreme Court or High Court depending on what is the problem and what is the issue. Even 9th schedule, which is given in the Constitution, which has no reviewability, that is also been overturned by the Coelho's judgment. If he's a lawyer, he must be knowing the Coelho judgment. Now anything and everything in the Constitution can be reviewed. So I don't understand why he is saying that this particular Places of Worship Act cannot be challenged. Places of Worship Act, and if you come to the Places of Worship Act itself, what it says, the character of that places of worship cannot be changed. And what is a character? What is a character? Character is what is an inbuilt feature, and it has been clarified by the Supreme Court that identifying what is the character is not the violation of this particular act. So I don't know why he is saying that. Please discuss this on the basis of Constitution, on the fact, on the law, instead of going to directly Supreme Court and threatening the whole government and constitutional way. If on the one side there are many Hindu issues which has been well taken by all the Hindu societies, which is majority.
Let me put those points.
They are exercising their constitutional right.
Yeah, let me put those points to Imran.
And challenging what is
and of course Vivek Silas also with